Hello friends, first of all welcome back to my channel Classification Ideas by Ushnam. So friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is very unique, very creative, and it contains a wide variety of very beautiful and very highly designer style hand embroidery patterns. Different design ideas of hand embroidery have been shown with different color combinations, and the beauty of this video collection is that in this video you are going to see 250 very beautiful, very amazing 250 plus designer style face mask design patterns. And the beauty of this video is that this video contains and it covers almost all type of different styles of different pattern based very beautiful and creative mask embroidery patterns to give the user, to give the embroidery maker, to give the wearer a very beautiful and decent look at the same time. And how these masks are much more useful than other ordinary simple masks, because these masks are 3-ply masks. 3-ply means with 3 layers along with the inner filter pocket layer to give maximum protection against different viral infections like COVID. COVID is the most dangerous virus that has been termed and is affecting the human community massively, and it has no idea of turning back. And the only way that we could save ourselves or we could stay protected from COVID is to wear mask or to make a habit of wearing masks. And with wearing masks we will not only keep ourselves protected, but at the same time we could also protect our loved ones, our friends and family, the ones about whom we care a lot. So this was the main concern with which and for which I am making this video. I can say that this video is in the continuation of my previous videos, into which I have been sharing a very beautiful, very wide variety of design ideas. Like in this video you are going to see different denim embroidery pattern ideas, different shades of denim, light, dark gray, different shades of blue, black, peach, beige, and different decent and delicate design patterns. Some very easy hand embroidery stitches like lazy daisy embroidery patterns are also shown in this video. Some very easy Brazilian embroidery or satin embroidery stitch have been shown. All of these flowers are nature inspired flowers, wedding bouquet flowers. Some funky and decent, attractive, very beautiful embroidery patterns for kids as well, and for the persons who are of older age, that is they are 50 plus, so they require some decent light and delicate colors with a very beautiful and decent touch of embroidery as well. So all of these aspects and all of these ideas have been covered. The whole design patterns are absolutely favorable for adults, for boys, for girls, for men, women, kids as well. The beauty of these masks is that these masks are full face coverage masks that give you maximum protection along with a very comfortable and ease of wearing. The supporting nose wire helps to maintain the whole look and shape of the mask, adjustable to your face, and the adjustable elastic ear straps help to maintain their serenity at the same time. And the beauty is that these are reusable, washable, so that a lot of your money could not be wasted and you don't have to buy your masks again and again. And my one recommendation to you is that kindly please wash these masks with some antibacterial or antiperspirant, anti-germs, antibacterial deodorant based wash or washing detergent or some washing liquid that is antibacterial and has the ability to kill a lot of germs, and at the same time it gives you a very soft and lighter fragrance as well. So if we talk about the embroidery patterns, then the embroidery patterns are very easy. Lazy daisy stitch could be used to make the whole embroidery pattern, that is very small leaves along with some very small flowers, and you can increase the beauty by adding some smaller pearls, beads, or some press or gum stones. and to give a very fancy, decent and a wedding type look for a party wear. And some decent and delicate funky design ideas like bird embroidery, fox embroidery, some bee embroidery patterns. And to give a more creative and lively look, you can use nature inspired embroidery patterns as well at the same time. So friends, I would not take you a lot of your time, but I am suggesting you, so please be patient and watch the video till end. I am pretty much sure that at the end of this video you will get a lot of trendy, stylish, amazing and very beautiful ideas that how you are going to design your own mask. If you are an embroidery beginner, then this video collection is, friends, absolutely for you. You can also use silk to embroider these very beautiful patterns. Silk means silk ribbon, satin ribbon, or a shiny sort of silk ribbon material. Different silk ribbon could be used to embroider these patterns, like thin, thick or medium silk ribbon. And if we talk about the embroidery thread, then you can use Anchor, DMC, Butterfly, Vico, and these are the different brands that are universally acknowledged for making thread embroidery. And you can at the same time also use wool for making these patterns of embroidery. So this video collection is a complete mixture, a merger of different embroidery patterns ranging from small mini flowers to all over mask embroidery patterns, then to medium level floral embroidery with some branches, some funky embroidery that contains animal embroidery, birds embroidery, bee embroidery, then some nature inspired real life flower based embroidery, then different geographical regions of the world like Mexican embroidery, Brazilian embroidery, Armenian embroidery, Chinese embroidery, Japanese embroidery, Indian embroidery, Pakistani embroidery, Turkish style embroidery, and then embroidery on the basis of some customized requirements like alphabet, initial, name, initial letters, then a wide variety of different hand art patterns like wool embroidery, thread embroidery, silk ribbon embroidery. So friends, I would suggest you to kindly do try these patterns and share your experiences with us. And don't forget to comment below this video so that we could know about your likes, dislikes and choices. We do our best and we try our levels best on everyday basis to share some trendy, stylish and amazing and DIY ideas that are useful and very creative at the same time, utilizable for you. You can also make some funky like Punjabi bridal couple embroidery with some different 3D hairstyle embroidery, very beautiful and funky floral based embroidery like sunflower embroidery, wedding bouquet embroidery, lily embroidery, multicolor rose embroidery with some sort of autumn view like only leaves embroidery, and different Mexican, Italian touch of Brazilian embroidery and much more. So with this, allow me to leave. And thank you so much for watching the content. If you really like my video, then don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Share my video massively with your friends and family. Take care of yourself. Stay blessed. Stay safe. And hope to see you soon back in my channel in my new videos. Up till then, don't forget to like and subscribe.